Hello friends. Welcome to Library Facts. Today we are going to explore a powerful tool in project management called PERT, which stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. What is PERT? PERT is a management tool used in project management, particularly useful for projects where predicting the duration of activities is challenging. This tool analyzes all the activities of a project and organizes them in a logical sequence to ensure the project is completed on time and efficiently. The PERT technique was developed in the 1950s by the U.S. Navy for the Polaris missile project. The technique proved so successful that it has become a significant tool in project management worldwide. PERT consists of several key components that help in the effective planning and management of projects. Let's break down these components. Key elements. There are three key elements in PERT. 1. Events. These are the major milestones where a specific activity ends or an important task is completed. 2. Activities. These are the tasks that need to be completed to move from one event to another. 3. Estimate times. In PERT, time is divided into three categories. 1. Optimistic time, the minimum time required to complete an activity. 2. Pessimistic time, the maximum time required to complete an activity. 3. Most likely time, the average time required to complete an activity under normal circumstances. The expected time (TE) for an activity is then calculated using the formula equals +4 + /6. This formula provides a weighted average that helps in predicting the most realistic time for task. 4. Critical path. The critical path in PERT is the sequence of activities that determine the shortest time in which the project can be completed. 5. Slack time. Slack time, also known as float, is the amount of time an activity can be delayed without affecting the overall project timeline. How does PERT work? In a PERT chart, activities are represented by arrows and events by nodes, circles or ovals. The arrows indicate which activities should be done first and which should follow. To create a PERT chart, all project activities and events are first identified, then arranged in a logical sequence, and an appropriate time duration is assigned to each. Why use PERT? With PERT, we can plan and manage projects more effectively. This technique helps us understand which activities are crucial to the project's success and need focused attention to complete on time. Additionally, PERT shows the dependencies among activities and identifies which ones are independent. Advantages of PERT. Some of the key advantages of PERT are: 1. It provides a clear roadmap for the project. 2. Ensures that project activities are completed on time. 3. It helps in identifying and managing risks. 4. Assists the project manager in monitoring the progress of the project. 5. Better communication. A PERT chart provides a clear visual representation of the project, making it easier to communicate the plan and progress to stakeholders. Limitations of PERT. While PERT has many benefits, it also has some limitations. 1. Creating a PERT chart can be time-consuming, especially for large projects. 2. The technique can be complex, particularly for projects with many activities and phases. 3. If the project timeline changes, the PERT chart may need to be revised. 4. PERT focuses primarily on time and does not take into account the cost of activities, which is an important aspect of project management. PERT is a highly effective tool that simplifies and organizes the planning and management of any project. When used correctly, it ensures that projects are completed on time. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Library Facts. Thank you.